and M2, where M is nothing but the input bit which is being given in the serial manner. So the data which will be given to the encoder of the convolution code, it will be given in the serial manner. Okay. So when we talk about over here, we have seen M0, M1, and M2. We have seen what is the next state. The next state will depend upon the contents of the register M1 and M2, and the current next state will depend upon the contents of M0 and M1. Okay, so that is very important thing which you have to keep in your mind while designing the encoder. The next state will depend upon the current state will depend upon the contents of M1 and M2, and the next state will depend upon the contents of the M0 and M1. So we have seen, now again I'm just sharing my screen. So in the yesterday we have seen these four states I have told you, M1 and M0, when the content is 00 is state A, 01 is state B, 10 is state C, and 11 is the encoder diagram. Right now, first of all, I will explain you what is meant by the state diagram. Yesterday we have seen the encoder diagram, how by using the generator sequence what we can do is we can design the encoder diagram. Now the another thing which we are going to study is the state diagram. If the data is being given to us, if the input sequence is being given to us, from the encoder diagram what we can do is we can design the state diagram. State diagram is from which state to which state the data is going to move over here. Suppose first of all yesterday's encoder, if all of you remember yesterday's encoder, what we have drawn the yesterday's encoder. I hope everybody is having this particular encoder diagram with you. This was the encoder which we have drawn yesterday. Okay. Now we will use the same encoder for drawing the state diagram. I will just draw the encoder one more time. So again, same generator sequence I'm going to use. I'm not going to change the generator sequence over here. So we are having the modulo 2 adder over here. The input is being given to the M0. We are having V1. So we are having V1 over here. It's going to be output, and here we are having the V2. Yesterday we have seen, we have written the equation for V1 and V2. What is the equation for V1? V1 it is M0 XOR with M1 XOR with M2. We have seen the equation for the V2. The equation for V2 is nothing but M0 XOR with M2. Okay. Now suppose I'm just going to take the 3-bit sequence. We are not going to take such a long sequence for sending the data. What I'm taking is let our input bit be 110. Okay, so we will just keep in our mind using this 110. First of all, we are going to draw the state diagram, and then we will be drawing the code tree. First we will see what is a state diagram, how to draw the state diagram, and then we will see what is meant by the code tree. Okay, now here we are having the input 110. It means the input will always be given to the register M0. So before starting, what we need to draw over here is we will draw the encoding table over here. Okay, so what the encoding table it will give you. For the encoding table, I'm just going to write M0, M1, and M2. Now, in some of the books, what you can find over here, when we talk about the M0, M1, and M2, instead of M0, it is also being written as the input message, because finally the input message will be given to the register M0 over here. And sometimes instead of giving the M0, it is simply written as the M1. So what we can do is we can write M0 M1 M2. So what we can do is we can write M0 M1 M2. Written as the M1 over here, and initially when no input is being given over here. So what will come over here when no input is being given over here? My video is not clear, it's not visible properly.
मैम लैग
Yes. हाँ
मैम
जस्ट
लैग
बोलो
हो रहा है
क्या?
और ब्लर हो रहा है.
ब्लर हो रहा है. जस्ट अ सेकंड. So we are having M0, M1 and M2. Okay, the register M0, M1 and M2. Then what we are going to write over here is the present state or current state. We are indicating the present state, that is the, and then we are going to write the next state and the output. Now the output, we are going to get the multiplexed output over here. Okay, the output will be a multiplexed output over here. So we will be having the multiplexed output over here. So we have written M0, M1, M2, present state, next state, and then the what we are having is the output over here. Now, first of all, initially when no bit is being transmitted, okay, when there is no transmission, the initial contents of M0 and M1, M2 will be your 0, 0, 0 over here. So when we talk about the 0, 0, 0 over here, then the present state and the next state, what we are having is the present state will be A, because the contents of the register M1 and M2 is 0, 0. And again next state, the contents of the register M0 and M1, it is also 0, 0. So both of them, what we are having is the present state is A and the next state is also A, and the output will turn out to be 0, 0. Now the first bit what we're talking about is the input is 1, 1, 0. What we're having is the input is 1, 1, 0. Just a second. So we are having M0, M1 and M2. We got the present state, we got the next state, and the output will be 0, 0. Now the first input bit which you're going to have over here is the, we are transmitting the 1, 1, 0. The first input bit will be your 1 over here. So we'll start transmitting the sequence. I'm having the sequence is the first bit is 1 over here. So when the first bit will be transmitted, what will be having? I will just write simply 1 over here. Now when the bit 1 will be transmitted into the register M0, what will happen over here? The 0 will shift to the M1, and the 0 which is present in the M1, it will shift to the M2. So what we are going to get is the contents of the register will be 1, 0, 0. So M0 will be having the 1, M1 will be having 0, and M2 it will be having the 0. So again what you say, what is the present state over here? The present state is A. What about the next state over here? The next state will be the contents of the register M0 is 1 and M1 is 0 over here. So 1 0 क्या indicate करता है? The 1 0 indicates the state C over here. So it will move from the present state A to the next state C over here. And now again we can find the output. The V1 output is the M0 XOR M1 XOR M2. That is the value will be 1 over here. So I can just write the output will be 1 over here. Okay, we are having the getting the output is 1. Now the next output is your M0 XOR with the M2. So again the output will turn out to be 1, 1. Okay, so what we are having is the output is nothing but the value is 1, 1 over here. Okay, so we are having the output is 1, 1. So M0 is 1, M1 is 0, M2 is 0, present state is A, next state is going to be C, and the output is your 1, 1. Okay, so this is how we are having for the first input 1. Now another input bit is your 1. Now again it will come to the M0. So this 1 will shift to the M1 and the 0 will shift to the M2. Now what is the state we are getting for the M1 and M2? 1, 0. Again the state 1, 0 is nothing but the state C over here. So what I'm going to write? State C. That is the present state. What about the next state? The next state is the D. And the output will be, the output V1 will be 1 XOR 1, it will be 0. 0 XOR 0, it will be 0. Okay. So the first output will turn out to be 0. The value of V1 will be 0. What about the value V2 over here? It is M0 XOR M2. What I'm having is M0 XOR M2. So 1 XOR 0, the value will turn out to be 1 over here. So what we are getting is the output will be 0, 1. Now, next what we are having is the third bit is remaining over here. What about the third bit? Where the third bit is going to come over here. This is the 0. Now, when 0 will come into the M0, the one which was previously present, it will be shifted to the M1. And the one which is present in the register M1, it will be shifted to the register M2. So we are having, the result will be 0, 1, 1. Now when I say 0, 1, 1 over here, what we are having is, when I say 0, 1, 1, for 0, 1, 1, the state for the present state will turn out to be D. And what about the next state now? 0, 1. 0, 1 क्या है आपका? That is nothing but the state B over here. And the output, the first output as 0 XOR 1, 1, 1 XOR 1, the value will be 0. So the first output, it will be 0, and then it will be, your output will be 0, 1. So we have got the output 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, depending upon as we are having V1 and V2. Similarly, we are having M0, M1 and M2, and then we are having the present state and the next state. So now we need to draw the state diagram. Now, depending upon this, what I have to draw is I am going to draw the state diagram. So, first of all, I am just simply going to write state A, state B, state C, and state D. Now, there are few things which we need to keep in our mind when we are going to talk about the state A or state B and the state C. So, when we start with the tree diagram, sorry, we will start with the state diagram. So in the state diagram, we have to use the two conventions will be used in the state diagram. Which two conventions? First of all, we will be having a solid line, and the another we will be having a dotted line. Now, what is the meaning of the solid line and the dotted line? What does the solid line indicate, and what does the dotted line and the solid line indicates, and the what does the dotted line indicates over here? Because the solid line and the dotted line, they are having the two different meanings. When I'm drawing the solid line, it will indicate some another value, and when I'm going to draw the dotted line, it is going to indicate the some another value. Now that value will depend upon what the input is, whether your input is 1 or whether the input is 0. Depending upon that, the solid line and the dotted line is going to be turned out over here. Okay, so we are having the solid line and the dotted line, and this solid line and dotted line, they indicate what input is being given to the encoder, whether the input is 1 or whether the input is 0 over here. Okay, so when we talk about the code tree, now when the input is your 0, okay, as you can see, when the input is 0, it is being indicated by a solid line. कैसे हम indicate कर रहे हैं? We are going to indicate by a solid line. So when the input is 1, over here we are going to indicate with the with the dotted line, and when the input is 0, we are going to indicate with the solid line over here. So I will start drawing the state diagram. अभी सबने table complete कर लिया? Everybody has completed this table? आप टेक्स्ट मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं. I hope all of you have completed the table. It's not difficult because I have taken only 3 input bits over here, so it is very easy to draw the table. Okay. So we'll start drawing. As I have drawn, you can see over here, I have drawn the 4 states over here. State A, state B, C and D. We are having the 4 states. I have drawn the 4 states over here. Now the first state, when the input I am initializing, initial value क्या है आपकी 0 0 है. When it is 0 0, it will just go to the input. Output will be at the 0 0 only. So what I am going to indicate over here, I'm just, you can see over here, I have drawn the लूप ऑन दी स्टेट ए कि जब आपका 0 0, जब तीनों ही 0 0 है तो आपका प्रेजेंट स्टेट और नेक्स्ट स्टेट क्या है, दोनों ही ए है, एंड द आउटपुट इज 0 0. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मेंशन ओवर हियर, पहले 0 लिखूंगी स्लैश एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द 2 0 ओवर हियर. ओके, इज इट क्लियरली विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ओवर हियर? आई हैव शोन द solid line over here, 0 0 slash 0 0. So 0 is always indicated with the solid line. So what indicate? If the input is 0, if the initial state is 0, then the output will be 0 0, and the present state and the next state both are same. As you can see in this table, present state and the next state both are same. That is, the state is AA over here. So we are having the state diagram over here. I have drawn. Now coming to the first input. Now when the input is 1 over here, the state has been changed. क्या state change हो रही है? When the input is 1, the state has changed. The present state has changed from the A to the C. That is, there is a transition in the state. So I am going to connect this A to C with a dotted line. How I am connecting it over here? I am going to connect A to C with the dotted line. Now, dotted line क्या indicate कर रहा है? It is indicating that the input is 1. So I can just write 1 slash, and what the output I am getting over here is the 1 1. अभी 1/11 क्या indicate कर रहा है? It is indicating this 1/11. It is indicating that the input is 1 and the output is 1 1. So we have come to the state C. Now you can see for the state C again, when we are at the state C and the input is 1. अभी input क्या है आपका 1 है and we are at the state C. तो next state क्या है आपकी D है, but क्या है आपका input is 1. So again what I'm going to connect, I'm going to connect the state C to the state D with the dotted line over here. Okay, so again I'm going to connect the state C to the state D with the dotted line. Again I will write input is the 1 and what output I'm getting is the output is the 0 1. Is it clearly visible to all of you? Okay, how I'm writing over here, how I'm connecting the states. So the initial state was the state A, then from state A we have moved into the state C, because when the input was 1, the state has been changed over here. There is a transition in the state. From the state A it has moved to the state C. Now when it was the state C, from the state C it has moved to the state D, but the input was 1 over here. So the input 1 is always indicated with the dotted line and the input 0 is always indicated with a solid line over here. So we got A, C and D over here. Now then we are at the D. From the D it is moving to the state B over here. So again I will just connect the state B to the state B. Now this state D, it will be connected to the state B with a solid line. Why with a solid line? Because our input is nothing but the input is 0 over here. So I am going to mention a 0 slash. Now what output we are getting? Again the output is 0 1 over here. Now in the exam, this just I have told you because the input is 1 1 0. But till how we are going to draw the complete this table? Okay, am I going to leave this state diagram? Yeah, this is the state diagram which I have received over here. But again what I am getting is when M0 नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will move from 0 to 1 over here. क्या हो गया आपका यहाँ पे? 0 to 1 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. So just you need to write at the dash 0 and 1 because आपका bit क्या होना चाहिए? शिफ्ट होना चाहिए. Okay, so 0 1 1 dash 0 1 over here. So this will be the last entry in your encoding table and this is going to be a state diagram. Is the state diagram understood by all of you? समझ में आया सबको how to draw the state diagram? Okay, so I hope all of you have understood the state diagram. Just I will give you the another value and then you will draw the state diagram. Okay. Okay, write down. Just draw it for the message vector 1 0 1 1 0 0. We have to draw for the message vector 1 0 1 1 0 0. We are going to keep the encoder diagram same. We are not going to change the encoder diagram. Only what we have to draw is we are going to draw the state diagram over here. So how we are going to draw the state diagram? The value input is, what is the input? Write down the input 1 0 1 1 0 0, or I will just write in the chat box. I'm writing the input sequence over here. So the input sequence is 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, we are going to keep the encoder same. Okay, we are not going to change the encoder diagram. Okay, come on, start solving it. At least try to make the encoding table over here. I will also make along with you, but you all have to make the encoding table. So I'm just simply writing M0, M1, M2. Okay. Then I will write, I'm just writing PS, that is the present state. NS, it will give you the next state. And then what we have to write over here is, I'm going to write the output. And at the same time, now I will be adding the one more row over here, one more column over here, that is called as the state transition. Okay, so we are having a state transition over here. So we got m0, m1, m2. We are having the present state, next state, output, and then we are having the state transition. So from this state transition, it will be very easy for us to draw the state diagram. Okay, so what input we have taken? The input is 1 0 1 1 0 0. So the input is 1 0 1 1 0 0. First of all, initially we will always start with the 0 0. Why we are always going to start with 0 0? Because it will be easy for you to make out, yeah, which is your, the current state will always be your, we are going to start with the state A. So we can see over here the present state is also A and the next state is also A. What about the output? The output will also be your 0 0. Again, I will just write the equation for V1. V1 का equation क्या है? M0 XOR M1 XOR M2. And what is the equation for V2 we are having is M0 XOR M2. Okay, so we are having these two equations. Now the state transition, it will be from A to A only. Okay, the state transition will be from A to A only over here. Why from A to A? Because the present state and the next state both are same over here. Now coming to our first bit. अभी first input bit क्या है आपका? It is 1. So when the 1 will be shifted to the register 0, M0, the 0 will from the M0, the 0 will be shifted to M1. M1 में जो 0 है, it will be shifted to the register M2. So now what is the present state we are having is, the present state is the A. And what about the next state? It is 1 0. So the next state is 1 0. 1 0 क्या है? It is your B. Okay, the next state will be B. What about the output? Output will turn out to be 1 1 over here. So I can write the state transition is from A to B over here. What we are having is the state transition is from A to B over here. Then coming to the another value, another input is nothing but your 0. Now when 0 is going to enter, 1 will be shifted to the M1 and the 0 from the M1 will be shifted to the M2. Out to M2 is 0 hai, it will be lost over here. So we are having 0 1 0. Now what is the present state we are having? 1 0. Present state is your state B. And 0 1, the next state will turn out to be your C. Again here the output will be 1 0. So we are having this state transition. This state transition is from B to C over here. What we are having is, we are having B to C over here. So we got 0 0. Yes, Drumil, क्या है second row का, क्या पूछ रहे हैं बेटा आप?
Ma'am, actually I'm getting A to C for second row.
For second row, what you are asking?
Ma'am, actually it will be A to C, right?
Yeah, A to, not A to C ना, पहला आपका A to B हुआ ना, 0 0 and 1 0. 1 0 is B ना, sorry 0. Okay, sorry, मैंने दोनों गलत कर दिया है. It is A to C and then C to B. 1 0 है, okay. 0 0 0 1 and 1 0. 1 0 is C. मैंने 0 1 के कंस्ट्रेशन में उसको लिख दिया. Okay, so we are having A to C and then we will be having from the, I will just draw देना, इतना गंदा नहीं चाहिए. So we are having M0, M1 and M2. Present state. I am having the next state, output, and then we are showing the state transition. So initially 0 0 0, A, output is also 0 0. The state will be from A to A. Then for the 1 0 0, it will be A, and the next state will be 1 0. So 0 0 0 1 and 1 0. 1 0 is your C over here. So here C over here, and the output will be 1 1. So the state transition will be from A to C. Then again the another bit is 0, and the 0 will be transmitted over here. What we are having is 0 1 0 over here. Again 1 0, it is nothing but the state C, and now 0 1, the state will be B over here. Thanks Rumil, otherwise हमारा पूरा numerical wrong हो जाता. 1 0, and now the state transition is from C to B over here. Okay, so we got second input. Now the third input, what we are having is, the third input is 1 over here. Now again when the 1, 0 will be shifted over here, the 1 will be shifted over here. So again what we are having is 0 1. 0 1 is the state B, and the next state is again C over here. You can see next state फिर से क्या हो रही है आपकी यहाँ पे C है. Okay, and what about the output? The first output will turn out to be 0, and the second output will also be 0 over here, and the transition is again from B to C. Okay, then next input again what we are having is the 1 over here. So when the next input is 1 over here, then this one will be shifted over here, and here we will be having the 0. So 1 0, what is the 1 0 we are having is, again 1 0 is nothing but C, and the next state is your D. Okay, So, and what about the output? Output will be 0, 1 over here. Now the state transition is from C to D. Okay, the state has been changed from C to D. Then the third input is your 0. When the input is 0 again, this one will be shifted over here. This one will be shifted into the M2. Okay, so we are having the present state is your state D. Again 0, 1. 0, 1 is your state B. Okay, so D and B. What about the output? The output will be 0, 1, and there is a state transition from D to B. The state has been changed from D to B over here. Now coming to the last input, that is your input is the 0. The last input is 0. So again this 0 will be shifted over here, and here what we are going to have is the 1 over here. So 0, 1. 0, 1 is again nothing but the B, and then the next state will be A over here. From B to A. What about the output? Output will be 1, 1 over here. And then we are having from the B to A. Now what we need to draw is, we are going to draw the state diagram. I'm just drawing the state diagram. Now when I'm going to draw the state diagram over here, I will just simply first of all mention the state A, state B, state C, state D. मैंने ऐसे लिखा है. If you want to write, आप लोग ये another way में some in the some books you can find they are writing as A, B, C and D. अगर आप ऐसे भी लिखेंगे तो भी ये सही है, ऐसे बनाएंगे तो भी ये सही है, but I am bit comfortable with this, so I am just using this particular form of drawing the state diagram. So what I am having over here is the A, B, C and D. So I have drawn A, B, C, D over here. Okay, so we will start drawing the state diagram now. For the first row, what we are having is the input is 0. It will move from 0 to 0 only. So the 0 slash 0 0 I am going to write. Now the first input bit which we are having is the 1. From the 1, it will move to, from the state A. It will there is transition. We can see there is state A to C. But ये A to C का transit हो रहा है when the input is 1. So what I am going to connect is, I am going to connect with the dotted line. What I am going to write over here is the input is 1 and the output over here what we are getting is the 1 1. Now we are at the state C. From the state C, from the state transition diagram, you can see we are moving from state C to the state B. But what? The input is 0. So we are moving from the state C to state B. So I will just move in this way. We are moving from state. If you want, you can just, sorry, just draw the arrows. Okay. We are moving from state C to state B when the input is 0 over here. So I will just write the input is 0. And what about the output? Output is 1 0. Now we are at the state B. Now you can see when we are at the state B, again from the state B we are moving to the state C, but the input is 1 over here. So what I am going to do is I am going to draw in this particular way. Okay, so we are having, when the input is 1, we are again moving from the state B to the state C, but here the output is 0 0. So again I am writing 1 slash 0 0 over here. So this is what the state diagram. So now we have come from the B to C. Again we are at the state C. Now again from the state C, we are moving to the state D over here. But how we are moving? When the input is 1 over here. So again I am going to draw with the dotted line. So what I am having over here is the input is 1 and the output is, output आपका, okay, output is 0 1. So we got the input is 1 and the output is 0 1. Okay, or I hope everybody's, those who are doing it with me, they are drawing this state diagram, so it will be very easy, because in the exam they always ask you a state diagram. Then we will be moving to the code tree, which is bit difficult than the state diagram, and then the trellis diagram, which is very much difficult as compared to the code tree also. Okay, so when in the exam they always ask you to draw the state diagram, they ask you to draw the code tree, as well as they ask you to draw the trellis diagram. Okay, from either of the three things, what you need, encoder will always be there. You need to draw the encoder diagram, but along with the encoder diagram, they will always ask you to draw the state diagram or code tree and the trellis diagram. So from the code tree, state diagram and the trellis diagram, you will always need to draw from these three. Always the two things they are always asked in the question paper. Okay, so we are having the state diagram. So again we have reached to the state D. Now from the state D again we have to move to the state B. But while moving from the state D to the state B, what input we are having is the input is 0. So we will move from the state D to the state B, but it will be shown with the solid line. I am just showing the arrow in which particular direction we are moving. So we are moving from the state D to the state B. Now what the input we are having is, the input is 0, and what about the output we are having is, the output is again 0 1 over here. Fine. Now coming to the last, we are at the state B. When the last input is 0 over here, then there is a state transition from the state B to the state A over here. So the the state has been changed from the state B to the state A. But what the input we are having is the input is 0 over here. So again, we are going to draw with the solid line. So I have drawn the solid line. And what output I am getting over here? The input is 0 and the output is 1 over here. So this is the complete state diagram. Anybody is having any doubt in this? Okay, so those who are listening to me, I hope that I've justified with it. I'm able to make you understand what a state diagram is and how to draw the state diagram. This table is very much important. Every time you need to draw this table, and once you draw, please draw this particular state transition में जो हमने last में column add किया है. Please see to this state transition, so it will be very easy for you to draw the state diagram. Okay, now as we have drawn the state diagram, similarly what we have to draw is we have to draw the code tree. Then another word which we are having, now code tree के लिए मुझे कुछ additional draw नहीं करना है. Okay, the table which we have drawn, this table is only going to help us to draw the state diagram. This table will only help us to draw the code tree, and the same table will help us to draw the trellis diagram over here. Okay, so what we can see over here, using this particular encoding table, what we can do is we can draw the multiple things over here. Okay, so we have drawn the state diagram over here. Now moving to the, after the state diagram, I am just moving to the code tree. Now how to draw the code tree, or what is meant by the code tree over here. Okay, so again, for the code tree, we can use the solid lines or we can use the dotted line, but we have used the solid line and the dotted line for the state diagram. Okay, what we have done is we have used the solid line and the dotted line for indicating the input 0 and the input 1 for the state diagram. So when I'm going to draw a tree, what we know is for a tree, we will be having a trunk, we will be having the branches over here, and then we will be moving in the some direction. Okay, because when we move towards the trunk, we have to move in the downward direction. When we move towards the branches, we have to move in the upward direction. So depending upon the tree, because the word itself, it means the tree over here. So just I am showing you for input 0, move upward. Okay, so we have to move in the upward direction. When the input will be 0, what will happen? We will be moving in the upward direction. What we will be doing is we will be moving in the upward direction. And for input 1, move in downward direction. So this is the basic principle which you need to keep in your mind. Whenever the input is 0, we are going to move in the upward direction. How will we move? We will move in the upward direction. And whenever the input is 1, we will move in the downward direction. Okay. So as for the state diagram, in the state diagram, we are indicating the input 1 with the dotted line and we are indicating the input 0 with the solid line. Similarly, for the code tree, what we have to do is we have to indicate the input 1 and the input 0. So when the input is 1, we have to move in the downward direction, and when the input is 0, we have to move in the upward direction. So we will start just drawing it. First of all, simply हम लोग जब हमने पहला स्टेट डायग्राम बनाया है, okay, we will start with this first numerical with only 3 input 1 1 0. Okay, so we have drawn for the 1 1 0. So again we have seen state A to C, C to D, and then D to B over here. So first of all, I will start over here. I'm just saying this is the state A. अभी यहाँ पे आपको कुछ भी कहीं मेंशन नहीं करना है. I'm just simply saying this is the state A. Now from the state A we are moving to the state C. As you can see, जो मैंने पहला टेबल बनाया था for the input 1 1 0, those who have drawn or whether if you have taken the screenshot, please have a look at it. We have the input 1 1 0. So we are having the state transition. क्या है आपका state transition? A to C, C to D, and then D to B. We are having this state transition A to C, C to D, and D to B when the input is 1 1 and 0 over here. So I'm going to move from the state A to the state C over here. But when I'm moving from the state A to the state C, what I'm having the input is 1 over here. So I will just move in the downward direction. So I'm going from state A to state C. Can you see over here what I've drawn? We are at the state A. we are moving to the state C when the input is your 1. So when it is 1, what we have to do is we have to move in the downward direction. So here again I need to write the output. I'm writing the output as to be 1 1 over here. Now we are at the state C. From the state C, either we need to move in the upward direction or the downward direction. But here what we are doing is we are going from state C to the state D over here. What we are doing is we are moving from the state C to the state D. So when the input is 1, what we have to do is we have to move from the state C to D. But again जब आपका अगर input 1 है तो what we have to do is we have to move in the downward direction. So what I'm getting is here I had the state C, and here what I'm having is the state D over here. So what we have to do is as the input is 1, we have to move in the downward direction. So here I got the A, here I got the C, and here what I have got is I have got the D over here. Okay. So now we are at the state D. Now again from the state D, what we have to do is we have to move in the go to the state B. अभी हमको state D से कहाँ जाना है? State B पे जाना है. We have to change the state. But when moving to the state B, what input we are having is input is 0. It means we have to move in the upward direction. Okay, so this is how I am moving in the upward direction, and here I am mentioning the state B. Now हमने जैसे state diagram में क्या लिखा था? 0/output 0/00 1/10 1/11 Here I am not going to write in this way. Here I am just going to simply write what output I am getting. Okay, because indicate here we are moving in the upward and the downward direction. So here we are not going to mention the 0 or 1 value, what input is the over here. What I'm going to mention over here is I'm going to mention the output, what output I'm getting over here. Okay, so when I'm getting the output 1 1, okay, then we got the output 0 1, and then we got the another output, that is the 0 1. Okay, so we are getting the output over here 1 1 0 1 and 0 1 over here. So this is how we need to draw the code tree. ये समझ में आया? How we have to move in the upward direction and in the downward direction. बट एग्जाम में इतना सिंपल कोड ट्री नहीं आता है. ओके, कि जस्ट आपने 4 स्टेट्स बना दी और हो गया. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, इन द एग्जाम वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ प्रॉपर कोड ट्री. सो वी विल सी हाउ टू ड्रॉ अ प्रॉपर कोड ट्री. I'm just looking for the numerical where I can just show you clearly. मिल नहीं रहा है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. So we'll just start from over here. I will just mention start over here. Now the start will always be from your initial condition. अभी initial condition क्या है आपकी, या फिर initial state क्या है? Which is our initial state over here? The initial state is nothing but it will always be your 0 0. Okay, so the initial state will always be 0 0. That is the initial state will always be A. Now from A, what we have to do is either we will be moving in the upward direction or we will be moving in the downward direction depending upon what output we are getting over here. So if I'm going to start from this, हमने स्टेट ट्रांजिशन बनाया है. अभी A to A है तो यहाँ पे मुझे कोई लूप बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर सी यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द स्टेट ट्रांजिशन जो हम लोगों ने सेकेंड एनकोडिंग टेबल बनाया है, यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट द सेकेंड एनकोडिंग टेबल, यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट द स्टेट ट्रांजिशंस व्हिच वी आर हैविंग ओवर हियर फॉर ए टू ए। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द ए टू ए ओवर हियर बिकॉज ए से ए पे हम मूव नहीं कर सकते, इट्स अ ट्री, so we'll stay on the A only. Now the second what we are having is A to C, so we are going to move from A to what we are going to do is I'm going to move into the C over here. So this is the state C where we are going to move over here. Now when we come to the state C, what we are having over here, we have moved from the state A to the state C over here. अभी कब हम आए हैं, when the input is 1, तो हमने input 1 है, we have moved in the downward direction. Now while designing this code tree, what I have to assume, if instead of this one the input would have been 0, अगर input 0 रहेगा तो हम कहाँ move करेंगे, we will move in the upward direction. Okay, we will move to the state B over here. So this is how we are going. Yes, Ankit बोलो.
I have a doubt. Why you move in a rightward direction also?
Rightward, हाँ, तो हमको ब्रांच बनानी है ना बेटा. मैं अगर ऐसे ही बनाते जाऊंगी तो एक के नीचे ब्रांचेस कैसे बनाऊंगी? I have to show the branch ना. तो किसी भी चीज का जब हम ब्रांच बनाते तो हम कैसे बनाएंगे, हम वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द ब्रांचेस इन दिस वे, फिर इसका ब्रांच ऐसे बनाया हमने, फिर इसका ब्रांच हमने ऐसे बनाया. ओके, आई नीड टू शो द ब्रांचेस. अगर मैं सिर्फ नीचे ही आ जाऊंगी तो उसके आगे का ब्रांच कैसे कंप्लीट करूंगी? दिस इज द ब्रांच व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू शो ओवर हियर.
Okay, ma'am, can we move in leftward?
Everything will be moving the rightward direction only. Okay,
Okay.
बिकॉज हमको आगे ब्रांच बनानी है. अगर मैं राइट में नहीं जाऊंगी तो आगे का ब्रांच कैसे कंप्लीट करूं? जब मैं स्टेट सी हो तो सी का ट्रांजिशन कैसे दिखाऊंगी, अपवर्ड और डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में? अगर मैं यहीं पे सिर्फ सी को छोड़ दूंगी तो अगेन आई हैव टू मूव, तो आपका ट्री नहीं बनेगा. ओके, समझ में आया अंकित आपको?
Yeah, ma'am.
ओके, अभी जब ब्रांच आगे की बनाऊंगा तो आपको कंप्लीट, आपको ध्यान में रहेगा कि व्हाई वी आर मूविंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. ओके, नाउ वी आर एट द स्टेट C. Now from the state C, what I have to do is I have to move to the state B. So from the C, I am going to move to the state B over here. C से हम कहाँ पर आ गए? We have moved to the state B. अभी input क्या था आपका? 0 था, so we have moved from the state C to the state B. Now again we are at the state B. State B से हम कहाँ move करेंगे? I am going to move to the state C over here. समझ में आया ये? बी से हम कहाँ पर आ गए, यहाँ पे सी पे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो आपको स्टेट ट्रांजिशन दिया हुआ है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं ट्री कंप्लीट करूंगी, फिर जो ब्रांचेस बच जाएगी फिर हम उसको बाद में कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, नाउ जब हम ए टू सी पे जा रहे हैं, व्हाट आउटपुट वी वर गेटिंग द आउटपुट एज 1 1. व्हेन वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम सी टू बी, व्हाट आउटपुट वी आर गेटिंग इज द आउटपुट वाज द 1 0. देन अगेन व्हेन वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम बी टू सी, व्हाट आउटपुट वी आर गेटिंग इज 0 0. नाउ अगेन वी आर एट द स्टेट सी. फ्रॉम द स्टेट सी अगेन वी विल मूविंग टू द स्टेट D over here. So I'm going to show the state D over here. And what output we are having over here when moving from C to D? The output is your 0 1. So you need to write the output as 0 1 over here. Okay. So this is how we are going to complete the state. Now what is remaining? Again we are the state D. From state D we are going to move to the state B over here. So I'm just going to draw the state B over here. अभी state B पे क्या है आपका? Output क्या है? Output is the 0 1 over here. And then from B, what we have to do is again from B we will move into the state A over here. State A है, output क्या है आपका यहाँ पर 1 1. So this is the, ये कोड ट्री किसके लिए हो गया? जो हमने इनपुट सीक्वेंस हमारा दिया था 1 0 1 1 0 0. For this what I have drawn is I have drawn the code tree. ये समझ में आया कोड ट्री सबको? ये कोड ट्री आपको समझ में आया हो? ओके, सो एवरीबॉडी सेइंग समझ में आया. ओके, अभी मुझे ये कोड ट्री को ऐसे नहीं छोड़ना है. आई नीड टू कंप्लीट दिस कोड ट्री. अभी यहाँ पे सी है, सी से कंडीशन क्या है आपका? C टू हम कहाँ जाएंगे? वी विल बी गोइंग टू द स्टेट D ओवर हियर. B है, B से हमारे दो कंडीशन जा रहे हैं, B टू C जा रहे हैं और हम लोग B टू कहाँ जा रहे हैं? B टू A जा रहे हैं. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लुक एट द स्टेट ट्रांजिशन डायग्राम, दो कंडीशन है, हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? C टू D भी जा रहे हैं और C टू हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? B भी जा रहे हैं. ओके, तो C to B हम कब जा रहे हैं? When the input is 0. और C to D हम कब जा रहे हैं? When the input is 1 over here. Similarly B to C है, अभी C पे क्या है? C to D हम जा रहे हैं and again C to B जा रहे हैं. C to B, then again I need to complete this particular B over here. मुझे ट्री को कंप्लीट करना है, ये ब्रांचेस ऐसी ओपन नहीं छोड़नी. जब मैं स्टेट C पर हूँ तो स्टेट C से मैं D पर भी जा रही हूँ और कहाँ जा रही हूँ? B पे भी जा रही हूँ. जब स्टेट बी पे है तो बी पे दो जगह पे हमको पॉसिबिलिटी है, बी से हम ए पे भी जाएंगे व्हेन द इनपुट इज 0 और बी से हम सी पे भी जाएंगे व्हेन द इनपुट इज 1। अगेन सी पे हम कहाँ पर जा रहे हैं, डी पे जा रहे हैं, बी पे जा रहे हैं, तो अगेन मैं बी पे ब्रांच कंप्लीट करूंगी क्योंकि बी का है यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पे डी है। सो अगेन व्हाट आई एम हैविंग इज बी, B2 I am having the condition I will just go to the state A, and then I am having the condition when I am going to go to the state C over here. So again I will just complete these branches. What I am going to do is I am going to complete these branches over here. अभी ये D है, D का ब्रांच आपको कंप्लीट करना है। D2 कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम, C है। अभी D जब हम स्टेट पे रहेंगे, we are going to D2 B over here. So D2B के लिए हमने ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ किया है D2B के लिए, बट अगर आपका इस यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा देन आई विल बी गोइंग फ्रॉम D2 B ओनली, सो इट विल बी मूविंग फ्रॉम D2 A, ये वापस स्टेट A पे आ जाएगा बिकॉज ऑलरेडी D B और C यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया। सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द स्टेट A ओवर हियर। देन अगेन B के लिए कंडीशन क्या है, A है, यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा आपका C आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट अवर कोड ट्री। ये ब्रांचेस हमको कंप्लीट करनी है। ये ब्रांचेस समझ में आई सबको? ओके, सो अगेन आई विल जस्ट टेक वन मोर न्यूमेरिकल। जब तक मैं 2-3 न्यूमेरिकल कोड ट्री पे नहीं लूंगी, आपको कोड ट्री कंप्लीट कैसे करना है यू वोंट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, बट आई होप ये ब्रांचेस हमको कंप्लीट करनी है, समझ में आई आपको कैसे कंप्लीट करनी है ब्रांचेस। जस्ट लुकिंग एट द स्टेट ट्रांजिशन, हमने पहले क्या किया, जो हमारा ओरिजिनल स्टेट ट्रांजिशन था उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने कोड ट्री बना लिया एंड देन वी हैव जस्ट एडेड द ब्रांचेस यूजिंग द सेम स्टेट ट्रांजिशन टेबल। आई हैव एडेड द ब्रांचेस ओवर हियर। ओके, सो आई होप इतना समझ में नहीं आया होगा, that I can understand, but again in the next lecture I will again take the numerical on the code tree only and then we will see how we can complete the code tree over here. ये समझ में आया how we have to move in the upward and the downward direction, when we will be moving in the upward direction, when we will be moving in the downward direction. I hope all of you have understood when the input is 0 we have to move in the upward direction, and when the input is 1 we have to move in the downward direction. That is very much important. Okay. Okay, so again I think Monday we will meet. Monday we will be having another lecture, and again I will give 2 lectures for the code tree and then I will take 2 lectures for the trellis diagram. Okay, so that again I don't think so much time because most probably from the 11th October you will be having your second term. So before the second term arrives over here I need to complete the maximum syllabus. उसके पहले मुझे आपका 1 वीक में प्रैक्टिकल्स भी कंडक्ट करवाने हैं सारे, so I will be conducting with the practicals also. So if the syllabus नहीं complete होगा then I will just see to it if I can take the extra lectures. I will conduct the extra lectures and then I will try to complete with the syllabus. बीच का जो मॉड्यूल है वो, हाँ बेटा
मैम वो जो कल पीपीटी आपने दिखाए थे कैन यू शेयर ऑन द क्लासरूम?
वो एक्चुअली ना पीपीटी डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है अभी तक। स्लाइड शेयर्स में पीपीटी काफी सारे डाउनलोड कर रही थी, मैं इसका लिंक शेयर कर देती हूँ क्लासरूम पे, ठीक है?
ओके मैम, चलेगा।
हाँ बेटा, क्योंकि वो डाउनलोड ही नहीं हो रही है। मेरा लॉगिन आईडी है बट फिर भी डाउनलोड नहीं हो रही पीपीटी वो, बट उसका है, मैंने लिंक कॉपी करके रखा है, जस्ट शेयर द लिंक। ओके,
हाँ मैम, चलेगा।
ठीक है, ओके, बाय ऑल ऑफ यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
बाय।